Adventure time with the Transit Prodigy. Last but not least,
the Boston Celtics livery.
And it's coming from Cancun.
Philadelphia National Airport. The first time I caught this, and I'm catching it in Newark, Livery, International, Transit Prodigy, Airport.
If only they would name an airport after me, that would be nice. The Transit Prodigy Intercontinental Airport.
It can happen if you make it happen.
All plane lines available.
Ooh.
And I mean all.
Every livery must come to this airport. Or every single new livery comes out must stop at this airport first. While Transit Prodigy's at work.
Don't do that. I will run up to the rooftop. Don't do that. I will make sure I have to go to the bathroom, run up the roof, snap a quick shot, and then go to the bathroom and go back to work.
Boston Celtics.
Jason Tatum. Thank you for watching today's featured video.